Hello and hi everyone. In this video, I want to show you how to draw these P&ID valve symbols by using AutoCAD. Alright, so you can see here, this is the ball valve. This is manual, and this is for actuated. Butterfly valve, manual, actuated. Then plug valve, manual, actuated. Then this is for pneumatic valve, pneumatic operated valve. Okay. So now let's open the new drawing. Firstly, we need to draw the ball valve. So you can see the valve symbol we have. Okay, triangle, then circle at the center, and this line. So by using the polygon command, press enter. Then the number of sides we put 3. Then we specify the center here. Then we choose inscribe in circle. Okay, just bring to this direction. Then click. Then by using the mirror command, we mirror this triangle. Then we need to firstly specify the mirror line. So the mirror line, we click here, then here. Press enter. Then we can draw the circle at this point. Okay. By using the trim command, press enter twice, then simply we can trim this part. Okay. So this is for the manual operated ball valve. Okay. So here this is for actuated. So simply we can copy to the right. Okay. But firstly we need to draw the line to indicate the piping. Okay. So by using the polyline command, we just draw the line from here. Okay. So just draw this polyline. Then by using the trim command, press enter twice, we just trim this part. Then in order to make this more thicker, so by using the property command, select this polyline, then we choose the global width, we put 0.2. Okay. Alright. Next, for the actuated, simply you can copy this part, this object to the right. Then we draw a line. Start from this intersection outward like this. Then by using the rectangle command, we just draw the rectangle like this. Then by using the text command, click to this corner and this corner, and you can see the justification, we choose middle center. So you can see the text box at the center. Then we choose center. Okay. So we type H, for example. Select. Okay, you can highlight in order to change the size. So I put 0.5 or 0.7. Then you can bold it. Okay. Alright. Then by using the move command, we move this rectangle to this point. Okay. Then just draw a line like this. So this is for the actuated, whether motor, pneumatic, or hydraulic. Next, we are going to draw the butterfly valve. Okay. So simply you can copy this object, then you can edit it. Alright. So by using the copy command, we copy this object down here. Then we can remove this circle by using the delete button. Next, we can extend this line. So you can use trim. Press enter twice, then press shift. So when you press shift, you can extend this line and this line like this. Okay. Alright, so for the butterfly valve, we have this line like this. Okay. So we just draw a line like this. Then by using the move command, select object, press enter, click to this base point, then click here. Okay. So for the actuated, simply we can copy this manual, okay, to here. Okay, then simply we can take this part and just copy here. Okay, for the text you can double click in order to edit that text. Then we type M for the motor, for example. Okay, next we are going to draw the plug valve symbol. Okay, simple. You can copy this part. Okay, then bring here. So you can erase this line. Okay, now you can see the plug valve. Okay, the symbol like this. All right. So we just draw a line. Okay, right, shift, right click. For this time we choose nearest. Okay, so you just click here until intersect with this line. Okay, press enter. Then you just draw a line, start from this point until here. Then by using the mirror command, select this line, press enter, then click to this midpoint in order to specify the mirror line. Okay, then by using the line command, we just draw the line from this point to this point. Okay, so you can see the plug valve symbol for manual operated. So next we need to draw for the actuated operated. Then by using the copy command, just copy to the right. Then you can copy this part, okay, to this point. Okay, all right. So that's for plug valve. So lastly, the valve symbol is pneumatic valve. Okay, so you can take this part, this object, copy here. Okay, so erase this line. Okay, we draw a new line from this point outward. Okay, just click here, then the horizontal line like this. Okay, by using the move command, select, press enter, select this object, press enter, then click to this base point, then move here. Then for the arc, you can choose the start, center, end arc, then click to this start, center, end. Okay, next for the line with this thickness, we can use polyline, then start from the center, then we just draw it like this, and like this. Okay, press enter. In order to make this width same like this, you can use the match prop command. Press enter, click to this polyline as the source object and then the destination object. Click here, so you can see the properties already match. Next, we can see the hatch. So by using the hatch command, okay, click to this region, then you can change the pattern. We choose solid. Okay, press enter. All right, so that's for our valve symbol drafting. So thanks for watching my AutoCAD video. Keep follow us for more updates and information. Thank you.